Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We're going to demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 that we have specifically, but even if you have a different year, that generation video may be helpful. You have two fuse boxes. One is located under the hood on your F-150 in the engine bay, right above the radiator fan. We're talking about that fuse box right there, but we don't need this one today. We need to find the one that's inside the vehicle, in the cabin, on the passenger side, under the dash, right under the glove box. You guys have the kick panel right there. You remove the cover, open it, and you're going to see a fuse box that will look just like that. We took a picture, we zoomed it so we can show everything with a great detail. Now let's explain why you should always test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse that we will need to check, guys, if we come right here on the left side, we're going to count row number 1, 2 and 3. That's the third row. And if you come in that third row, from top to bottom will be the third fuse. Even if you have a missing fuse, you count it, but it's that fuse right before the relay, that 15 fuse. That's the one for the window switches, guys, on the passenger side, and the rear window switches. For some instance, if you need the fuse for the master window switch on the driver's side, it's that fuse number 48 right here, that 30 amp special fuse, guys. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.